this is my rental property. I'm a plumber. A lot of times we'll just hire other plumbers to fix things because I don't have time. So this plumber wanted $1,600 to fix this. It took me all but 10 minutes to fix it. But there was a reason he wanted that $1,600. It was a fair price, and I'll explain why. He wanted to update the plumbing, which was good because it does need to be updated. All of this is old and it needs to be fixed. And in order to fix this tubular trap, it's very thin, and a lot of times when you run a snake through it, it will break. And that's why he didn't want to do what I did, because if you go in and say, well, it's $300 to just drain clean your sink, and then everything breaks and you got to cut drywall, you can't come back from that. So he was looking ahead. He kind of knew that all this stuff needed to be updated. So in order to do that, the way this attaches into the wall, it's buried. You can't even access it. So you have to cut the plaster out behind it, get everything out, update it with plastic. So yeah, I totally see why I want to do it. But you know, like I said, I was actually off work today, and my property manager, who's my brother-in-law, called me and said, hey, they want $1,600, and I was like, hey, let me just slide by. I'll save a couple bucks on this. I know he would have done a good job. He would have done, you know, the things that need to be done. I'm gonna kind of kick this can down the road, a little bit of deferred maintenance. That's okay.